The next module we're going to talk about is one we call the Popular Pages module. So if I click on New Module, and I'm going to choose Popular Pages from here, and then we'll add our title. And so now you'll see down here at the bottom left-hand side, we have CMS 201 Popular Pages. So as an example of what this module looks like, if I go to the Payroll Office CMS site, you'll see over here on the right-hand side, they have a section that says Quick Links. And these are links to things that would be popular on your site. And so this is using the Popular Pages module. So let's walk through showing you how to add one of these. So here's the module that we've created, and now we need to add a page to this module. So I'm going to click on the button that says Add Page, and I'm going to give this a title. So this is going to be what the link says. So let's make this one just say About Us. Then in this drop down, you're going to choose where you want this link to go. And so you can see we have all kinds of different options, including content items. So these are going to be pages that we have on the content page. So I'm going to choose About Us, which is a page that we've created. And then I can choose how I want this page to open. Do I want it to open in the current tab or in a new tab? The other thing you can choose to do is whether or not you want an icon to show to the left of the link. So if we go back to our Payroll Office, these are the icons that are listed. So I'm going to say yes, I'm going to show the icon. And then you can see here that we have a whole list of icons that you can choose. So for our example, I'm just going to pick one. And then I'm going to scroll down and click on Submit. So now you can see we have one link added to our Popular Pages. So I'm going to take a second, I'm going to add in a few more pages. One thing I do want to show you is when you go to add a page and you give it a title, when you choose which page you want it to go to, you can always say redirect to a website. And so if I choose that option, I then can enter in the URL. So for this example, I'm going to link to the training video that I have out on YouTube. And then I'm going to have an icon shown. And then once I click Submit, this training video link will actually take me to the YouTube page of our training video. So when you add a page, you can also have it redirect to a page outside of the CMS. So now you can see I've added in a few links to the Popular Pages module. So now let's add this module to one of our pages. So I'm going to click on Content. I'm going to find the page I wish to edit. Once this loads, we're going to choose where we want this to go. So I'm going to click on the Modules link down here in the bottom right. I'm going to choose the Popular Pages module that you see. And then you can see it adds it to our page. So if I click on Preview, we can see how this looks. There's the module that we have there, and there are the different links that we've added. So the Popular Pages module is a great way to have links to your most popular pages on your site. And so you can add the icon, you can make it look really nice, and then it's an easy way for people to get access to those most popular pages.